Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, let's talk about how to know what the name or the gender of the person you're talking to on OmeTV before setting them up. So for this one, you can make sure you log into OmeTV, and basically this is going to be the trick. Video chat extension. So if you upload this one, for example, if I add to Chrome right there, I'm going to add as an extension. Just work on the settings here. As you can see right here, there's going to be a lot of settings, right? So for this one, let me just go back here, open up the extension for that one, especially the one I've just downloaded. This one right there. So once you open this one, you can try your demo menu or open up their menu. There's going to be a paid version for this one, but there's also going to be a free chat or free trial. So if I click on start using now for this one, make sure you work on the settings here. And then you can now set if what kind of account you have, what kind of age they have, what is their gender, to make sure you'll know beforehand. Okay? So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.